For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Stop struggling in the kitchen. Meet the powerful stainless steel food processor and vegetable chopper. If you've ever spent forever chopping vegetables or prepping meat, you know how frustrating it can be. I've been there too. But this powerful stainless steel food processor and vegetable chopper changed everything for me. With its robust motor and sharp S-shaped blades, it makes meal prep faster, easier, and way more enjoyable. Why you'll love this food processor? From my own experience, this tool feels like having a professional chef right on your counter. Its food-grade stainless steel build is durable and hygienic, and the extra blades make switching tasks effortless. I recently prepped a week's worth of salads and soups in minutes. The 7Q size was perfect for my needs, and the compact design kept my counter clutter-free. Key features: powerful motor, 750-watt or 1400-watt options tackle even hard ingredients with ease. Sharp S-shaped blades, chop, dice, and slice vegetables, fruits, or meat evenly. Onions and garlic came out perfect every time. Large capacity, choose 7Q or 16Q depending on your kitchen tasks. Food-grade stainless steel, durable, safe, and easy to clean. Easy to clean, detachable blades are dishwasher safe. No more scrubbing by hand. Compact design, fits any kitchen without taking up too much space. Benefits you'll notice: save time, high-speed processing cuts prep work drastically. Versatility, works with vegetables, fruits, and meat for all recipes. Effortless maintenance, stainless steel parts last long and resist wear. Professional quality, consistent results whether you're cooking at home or for a crowd. Perfect for every kitchen. From family dinners to prepping for a party, this processor handles it all. I used it to prepare ingredients for a large family gathering recently, and it processed everything quickly and evenly, something that would have taken me hours by hand. Elevate your cooking game. Stop wasting time and energy in the kitchen. The powerful stainless steel food processor and vegetable chopper gives you speed, precision, and versatility all in one compact appliance. Try it, and you'll see how it transforms cooking from a chore into something you actually enjoy.